All right, guys, it's been 2 weeks fermentation. Now, what's interesting is I don't see any bubbles, so I'm kind of I'm hoping for the best here. I'm not sure if it's just too cold. I don't know if you can see, but there is sediment on the bottom, so you don't get all of it. You could, I suppose, before you actually, well, no, maybe not. I was gonna say maybe you can filter that stuff out, but that's your yeast as well, which you need to create your bubbles. So anyway, I have a glass here. I'm going to carefully, because I'm using my phone here, open this one-handed. And here we go. Oh, okay. Definitely some pressure there. Look at that. We got beer. Okay, all right. So I thought these would be, the bubbles would be floating to the top this whole time. All right, so let's pour a little glass. Oops, sorry. Just a little bit. I don't want to take too much right now. Hot damn, we made beer. All right, so the next step is to put this in the refrigerator so it kills off the yeast completely. Let's see, smell it. Oh my God, it smells like beer. All right, well, let's give it a taste. Interesting. That's definitely beer. That is, well, I mean, again, it's supposed to be a Hefeweizen. So, let's see. It's not bad at all. It's just very different. So, quite interesting. So, obviously, warm is not the way to drink beer. I'm going to go ahead and put these all in the refrigerator. Again, the cold, first of all, I just want to make it cold to begin with, but the colder temperature is going to kill off all the yeast so it doesn't continue to carbonate, all right? But we have success. We've made beer. All right, did we make good beer? I don't know yet. That's okay. It's not bad. It's not delicious. It's not nearly as sweet as that sweetness they initially, had is killed off. That's it. It was totally made into the carbonation there. So, I don't know. Interesting. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. And cheers to all the microbrewers out there. Interesting. Good stuff. All right. That's it. Have a good day, guys. Take care.